Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about Starling Bank accounts. But before we get into the specifics, let's take a step back and ask ourselves a question. Why do we even need different types of bank accounts? Well, the truth is, our financial needs change throughout our lives. When we're young and single, we might just need a basic checking account to manage our day-to-day expenses. But as we get older and our responsibilities increase, we might need to open a savings account, a joint account with our partner, or even a business account. That's where Starling Bank comes in. They offer a variety of different account types to meet the needs of different customers. So, let's take a closer look at what they have to offer. Personal accounts. Current account. This is the most basic type of account offered by Starling Bank. It's free to open and comes with a debit card, online banking, and a mobile app. You can use your current account to deposit and withdraw money, make payments, and set up direct debits. Joint account. If you're looking to manage your finances with a partner or family member, you can open a joint account. This type of account allows you to share your money and make transactions together. Euro account. If you travel or do business in Europe, you can open a Euro account. This account allows you to hold, send, and receive euros for free. Teen account. If you're looking for a bank account for your teen, Starling Bank offers a teen account. This account is designed for 16 and 17-year-olds and comes with a range of features, including parental controls and spending limits. Business accounts. Business account. If you're a sole trader, partnership, or limited company, you can open a business account with Starling Bank. This type of account comes with a range of features, including invoicing, expense tracking, and reporting. Sole trader account. If you're a sole trader, you can open a sole trader account. This type of account is specifically designed for businesses that are owned and operated by one person. US/Euro multi-currency account. If you do business internationally, you can open a US/Euro multi-currency account. This account allows you to hold, send, and receive US dollars and euros for free. Savings accounts. ISA. If you're looking to save money for the future, you can open an ISA. ISAs are tax-free savings accounts that can help you to grow your wealth. Fixed-term savings. If you're looking for a higher interest rate, you can open a fixed-term savings account. These accounts offer a fixed rate of interest over a set period of time. In addition to the basic account types, Starling Bank also offers a number of additional features, such as card controls. You can use the Starling Bank app to freeze and unfreeze your debit card, set spending limits, and track your transactions. Real-time notifications. You will receive instant notifications about your transactions, so you can always stay on top of your finances. Spending insights. The Starling Bank app provides you with insights into your spending habits, so you can see where you're spending your money and make adjustments as needed. Money transfers. You can easily transfer money to and from other bank accounts, both in the UK and abroad. International payments. You can send and receive international payments with Starling Bank. So, which type of account is right for you? The best type of account for you will depend on your individual needs and circumstances. If you're just looking for a basic checking account, a current account is probably all you need. But if you're looking to save money for the future or manage your finances for a business, you may want to consider a different type of account. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that said,